Now the topic before us is your roadmap to understanding direct and indirect exchange rates. Foreign exchange rate can be quoted in two main ways: direct quote and indirect quote. To understand direct quote and indirect quote, we take an example. We are from India, and here the currency is, or the legal tender or domestic currency is, Indian rupee. We want to visit some other country, say USA, and the currency of USA is US dollar, which is a foreign currency for an Indian. So in the case of direct quote of foreign exchange rate, direct quote comes as domestic currency over foreign currency. Domestic currency divided by foreign currency. When we are giving the direct quote, it means that how much of domestic currency is needed to purchase, how much of domestic currency is required to purchase 1 unit of foreign currency. If we take the example of India, Indian rupee and US dollar, what is the exchange rate, direct exchange quote? It is 82.83 INR, and here comes 1 USD. This is the direct quote. Here we are using INR over USD. Value of INR is 82.83. Here we will get, to get 1 US dollars, we will be paying 82.83. That is, we will be required to pay 82.83 Indian rupee to get 1 unit of other currency. Here we are talking about other currency, which is US dollar. So we will be paying 82.83 Indian rupee to get 1 US dollars. Next is indirect quote. In case of indirect quote is by way of foreign currency over domestic currency. Here we are basically asking how much foreign currency can we buy, how much of foreign currency can we buy with 1 unit of domestic currency. Now here we are talking about Indian rupee and US dollar. We are from India, so here what will be US, indirect quote will be US dollar over Indian rupee, USD oblique INR. So what is US dollar is, here the what is the value? 1 US dollar is equal to 82.83. So here USD over INR, what will happen? It is 0.012. So with we can buy 0.012. We can purchase or buy 0.012 of US dollars with 1 unit of Indian currency or 1 Indian rupee. This is the indirect quote. In the forex market, foreign exchange market, when we are quoting exchange rates, we normally use direct quote. That is, we will have to pay this much of domestic currency to purchase 1 unit of foreign currency or 1 unit of another currency. We normally use direct quote. So why we use direct quote? Because it is easy for a person to understand. Suppose we want to purchase Canadian dollar. So we will say that we will have to pay 61.04 Indian rupee. We will have to pay 61.04 Indian rupee to purchase 1 Canadian dollar. So it is a direct quote. Normally, we we people use direct quote of foreign exchange rate. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.